Starting a YouTube channel in 2024? Wow, the excitement is palpable. Imagine diving into a world where your passions come to life, where creativity knows no bounds. But let's be real, it's not just about hitting that record button and hoping for the best. You need a roadmap, a clear path to navigate this vibrant landscape. First things first, define your niche and audience. What gets you fired up? Is it travel, tech reviews, or maybe lifestyle tips? Figure out what resonates with you, then research to see who's already out there. You want to carve out your unique space, not blend into the background. Next, let's talk names. Your channel name is your brand, your first impression. Make it catchy, memorable, and relevant. A quick search on YouTube can save you from confusion down the line. Once you've nailed that, it's time to set up your channel. Create a Google account if you haven't already, then customize your channel with a profile picture and banner that screams, "This is me." Now gear up. You don't need the fanciest equipment to start. Your smartphone can do wonders, but if you can, invest in a decent camera, microphone, and some lighting. Quality matters, but so does authenticity. Plan your content. Outline your first video. An introduction is a great way to kick things off. Edit with free software like iMovie or DaVinci Resolve. Keep it engaging, but don't overdo it. Thumbnails and titles are your bait. Make them eye-catching and keyword-rich. Once your masterpiece is ready, upload it and optimize it. Use relevant tags, craft a detailed description, and don't forget to promote your videos on social media. Engage with your viewers, build a community, and adapt based on feedback. Remember, consistency is key. The more you post, the more you grow. Monitor your analytics, see what works, and keep improving. This journey is all about evolution, so embrace it.